1. Grab seasonal fruits and vegetables. These days, most vegetables and fruits are available all year round. However, consuming seasonal foods have their own charm and health benefits. Always pick freshly harvested foods to extract best benefits they have to offer. Load up on mangoes, plums, tomatoes, berries, watermelon, oranges, celery, et al. 2. Keep yourself hydrated. Drinking water is extremely important as it helps rehydrate your body and helps it function better. Make sure you gulp down 8-10 glasses of water and ensure a well-hydrated body. Do not drink extremely chilled water as it will only wreak havoc on your health. 3. Downsize your meal. It takes longer for the stomach to digest food, plus the hot weather does not allow you to load up on too many food. It is good to have lighter meals rather than having heavy ones, especially at night. 4. Eat more cooling foods. Load up on more body cooling foods and more hydrating foods that will help you keep going in this heat. Eat more watermelon, sesame, coconut water, cucumber, mint, fennel seeds, et al. 5. Choose fresh juices over cold drinks. Summers make you thirsty more often, which makes us resort to cold drinks and energy drinks that proved to be hazardous in the long run. Whenever you feel like quenching your thirst, prefer drinking orange juice or melon juice. 6. Binge on lighter snacks. Move over fried snacks that you enjoyed during winters. It is time to load up on lighter snack options like nut, trail mixes, seeds, fruits, et al. 7. Hygiene is the key to a healthy body. Make sure whatever you eat or drink on is clean and hygienic. You are prone to get bacterial infections from the utensils in restaurants and even at home. Always ensure they are clean and always wash your hands before eating.